Good morning. My name is Barb Malera. I'm a member of the team at Harvesting History. We're an heirloom horticultural company that specializes in heirloom, non-GMO flower, vegetable, and herb seeds, roots and sets that are non-GMO and are heirloom flower bulbs, and vintage style, classically designed heirloom quality garden tools. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful piece of gardening equipment. This is known as a dibber if you're from the United States, or a dibble or dibbler if you're from England. It is perhaps the simplest of all tools that we have for the garden. It is thousands of years old. The original dibbers or dibblers were actually long sticks that had been cut so that there was a point on the end. The function of those sticks, and to this day the function of the dibber, is to poke holes so that you can plant seeds or bulbs or seedlings in the ground. This tool is manufactured by Burgon and Ball, one of the oldest garden tool manufacturers in the world, established in 1730. And this tool has received a huge accolade known as an endorsement from the Royal Horticultural Society in England. This is one magnificent tool. I've already started some holes where I'm going to plant some bulbs. I want you to see how easily this thing goes into soil. And then what I do is I do a circular rotating motion. And what I have is a hole that is 10 inches deep that I can insert my bulb into and then cover with soil. The wonderful thing, and there are many about this tool, the wonderful thing is that if I encounter rocks along the way, this point just moves the rocks out of the way and lets me continue down through the soil. It doesn't get any easier than this, and let me tell you, this particular design has on the handle goes through a stainless steel sloop, and that's held in place with a sturdy little screw. So it is a very long-lasting, durable tool. This is the dibber, or if you're in England, the dibbler. The other function that this dibber does extremely well is moving soil around and making space in a pot to add additional plants. If you can see, this little canna could really use some help. And I just go down here. I haven't hurt any of the canna roots, and I've got a hole now big enough to put another plant in here to round out the look of this pot. So it can be used for poking holes, for planting seedlings and seeds and bulbs. It can also be used as a container tool for adding plants or seeds or bulbs to a pot that's already partially planted. This is the dibber, or if you're English, the dibbler. It is manufactured by Burgon and Ball. It is on our website, www.harvesting-history.com, and you can purchase it online from us on the website. Once again, this is the dibber, and you can purchase it at our website. A wonderful gardening tool.